Hello? Who is it? Hey, sorry man. Yeah, my screen broke, so I don't know who's calling. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'll be seeing you in about 20 minutes. See you now. Bye. Since the screen isn't working, I'm gonna find out how much the screen costs and I'm gonna see if it's worth fixing or not. So yeah, I'm gonna go to eBay, see how much the screen costs. So expensive, man. Yeah, price of the screen is so expensive. So I'm not gonna fix the phone. Let me see how much the phone itself costs. Phone costs about 189, 129 refurbished, second hand. This was the price of the screen. So yeah, this is actually the Samsung S8, S9, S7 and S10. These are all the same. They all have very expensive screen. So if you break them, it's better to have insurance and claim that, or you can get another phone. Just add a few and you can get another phone for that price. So yeah, I'm not gonna repair this phone because it's so expensive, and might get another phone which is, if I add a little bit on it, I can get another phone for that price. So I'm not gonna fix it. Instead, I'm gonna get all the pictures and everything out from the phone, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the phone. I might sell it on eBay. Yeah, I'm gonna sell it on eBay. Somebody's gonna use that phone for something else, so I'm not gonna fix it. But first, I need to get the information out. Since the display isn't working, I'm gonna have to connect it to the monitor and then get everything out on a memory card. For that, I need a HDMI and I need a Type-C to HDMI adapter. It displays the phone's screen to the monitor. So yeah, that's a good idea. And I need a keyboard. So let's see. This is a Type-C HDMI cable and a keyboard. I need some memory cards. Okay, I think this is about size now. Just had my haircut. Okay, so this HDMI. This is a Type-C adapter and a keyboard. What I'm gonna do is remove the HDMI from there and connect this. Goes down in there. And once I connect this, it's supposed to come to the monitor here. This is on. See that? So to control this, I'm going to use my keyboard. the screen and with my password, and it just comes up. I'm gonna put a memory card and copy all these things from this to my memory card. So it's gonna get copied, and I'm gonna do all those other contacts and everything then. Okay, to do the contacts it's quite easy. Go to contact, then press this 3 line, and then manage contacts, import or export, and then do an export. So what you do is either you can do it on a memory card or a SIM card. I'll be doing it on the internal storage, and then just to export. Hello. So all the contacts will be exported. Since I have all the information I needed, this will be useless then, and the screen price is so expensive. I don't want to fix it, and if I add a little bit more money to it, I can get another phone. So, and then I can just sell this phone or give it to somebody who can use it as a part. I'll not be throwing it to a bin because of the battery and everything, which by throwing a battery is bad thing to do. So yeah, it's either gonna be sold on eBay or it's gonna go to somewhere where they can use it. I can use it for some other parts. So yeah, this is all done. Now this phone is I don't have to bother with it anymore. I can send it to insurance for a claim, and then they can do something about it and give me another phone. But all the informations, if I give it to them without getting all the informations, they will be deleting everything on the phone and giving me back my phone as a new phone. So it's better to get all the information out from the phone and then send it to them. Otherwise you won't be able to get it back. So this is one of the ways to get it back, get all the information out. It works on most of the Android phones. This is a Type-C HDMI adapter. Let me show you, it works with Huawei as well. I've tried both of them. There are some for the iPhones as well, but I haven't tried it. So I can't say, oh, it's gonna work on iPhone and blah blah blah. It's gonna work on this as well. It's quite good and easy to use these things, and if you want to watch a movie or anything, you can do it through there as well. So if the screen is damaged and you need to get the information out, and if this screen is very expensive, then it's one of the best ways to get all the information out, instead of throwing the phone away or instead of fixing it, paying as much as a second-hand phone, which is not worth it. So yeah, be careful not to break your phone. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, this method works on Huawei as well, as I've tried it. I haven't tried it on an iPhone, so I don't know if it works on iPhone or not. It should work.
Wanna be